I'm currently debating on whether I should sell my Tesla shares, and I think I'm going to leave it up to you. So let's jump right into this. Welcome back, passive income investors alike. Today, I'm debating on whether I should sell my Tesla shares. I've been on a back and forth like an angel and a devil on each one of my shoulders debating about this stock, because if you are a passive income investor and a dividend investor like I am, you're mainly focused on getting a decent yield and something that's going to increase over time, because I want capital I can spend, baby, not stuff that I gotta look at every day. So we all know Tesla is mainly more or less a growth stock that is trading at quite a premium that I definitely overpaid for, but luckily didn't buy a whole lot, and I think I'm gonna leave it up to you guys whether you can be the devil or the angel advocate here, whether I should buy or sell this stock. Now, I currently have bought it at an average buy price, I think, of around $350-ish, $340 or something. And I bought about 7 shares. I'm currently down, I think, about $500 on the position. I'm throwing it up on the screen here for you guys to look at. Current position with this company, and I'm not in the worry that I'm down. I don't really care that I'm down on this stock at all, actually. I bought it understanding the volatility that was going to come with it, and now I'm on the fence because the problem is the position is far too small for me to care a whole lot about. It's either I have to put more money into it and I should be buying the dip, or I should just be selling it and focusing on the core aspect of my portfolio, which is building a dividend income stream. The problem with a company like Tesla is if you buy onto it, guys, you could be holding onto it for 5 years, 10 years, even 15 years without getting any serious payout. This company has a lot to achieve over its lifetime before it could get anywhere, and I do believe at the core of my heart that this company has the real potential to be the largest company in the world. This company is revolutionizing more than one industry in a way that hasn't been touched in a very, very long time, and it's a very fascinating thing to watch. And I bought it because it keeps me engaged. It keeps me paying attention to what is going on. And currently, if you know anything about Tesla, guys, with their new trucks that are going to hopefully be coming out, they have the transports, they have the Roadster that's coming out. We're not even talking about their Tesla battery walls or their solar panel roofing yet, guys. This company has an incredibly bright outlook, but that comes at a premium. Tesla trades at such a high rate, guys, for a non-profitable company. A lot of people are like, oh, it just became profitable. I wouldn't really call it profitable yet, guys. It doesn't have a huge amount of debt for what they're trying to achieve, in my own personal opinion. Like I said, I think this company has something great going out on the horizon, but their time horizon, again, we're probably looking like 5 or 10 years. But the thing that's going to keep this stock alive isn't their balance sheet. It is simply their publicity, guys. This company gets more publicity than any other company on the planet, in my personal opinion. The things they've done, people will be talking about forever, like sending the Roadster into space, guys. It's a pretty incredible accomplishment in and of itself. So where they're headed, I think, is somewhere very awesome. But like I said, this is the devil and the angel advocate, guys, because I'm constantly fighting with myself in my head, because sooner or later I'm going to need to use this capital, and essentially that capital is what's going to build me a passive income stream to financial freedom, and I want to build it and increase it and get it on a fast track while I am young. And currently the account sits at just over $110,000 today, and it's currently yielding around 4.2%. But I'm holding a lot of companies that don't pay a high dividend, including Microsoft and Apple, which I am using for growth stock purposes. Those companies I plan on leveraging down and over time to buy into higher yielding companies. Realistically, I want to see my portfolio yielding about 6%. 6% I think is a very healthy dividend yield. It's usually the kind of dividend yield that you get out of a REIT, or just in general. I think a lot of people say you want to live by that 4% rule, which essentially means you need to be able to live off 4% of the interest of your income, guys, from stocks or whatever investments you have. If you can live on 4%, you can actually live on that without having to touch the initial investment. I don't agree with that statement. I believe if you can create passive sources of income, whether it's through a business or through buying any kind of a stock, you could buy one stock that pays a really stable 8% dividend yield and never buy another stock, and you might make 8% for the rest of your life. That's why I'd rather diversify in a means that gives me some of those higher rate growth companies along with the higher yield companies. But over time, I want to slowly be leveraging in heavily into the higher yield stocks. I'm talking like a lot of the British American tobacco stock I'm falling in love with right now. BTI has been my best performing stock this year, and it pays a whopping 7+% dividend yield, guys, and I've already seen a 15% capital gain on it. Those are the kind of companies I think are going to propel me extremely fast and speed up my rate of return. But I want to know what you guys think in the comments section below. Should I be buying, selling, or just holding Tesla stock, guys? I don't know what to do with this right now. I look at it day after day and wonder what it is doing in my portfolio. What is its purpose there? If I'm holding it as a growth stock, I need to buy more of it, because $3,000, in my opinion, is not exactly enough. But I'm not too sure, so I'm going to leave it up to you guys. If the majority of you think I should sell Tesla, I will sell it. If the majority of you think I should just be buying it and holding on to it, then that is what I might end up doing. But right now I'm on the fence. It's not a decision I'm going to make today or tomorrow, but it's something interesting to me, and I think it might be interesting to let you guys actually have a say over some of the decisions I make in my portfolio. If that's something you think you guys enjoy, I want to slap a like on this video and let me know in the comment section below for sure what your thoughts are on my position in Tesla. So stay cool, stay awesome, guys, and I'll see you tomorrow.